Chapter 20. Active and passive voice. The verb form which indicates the subject, person or object of a sentence do something or something has been done by the subject is called voice. Active voice. A verb is said to be in the active voice when its subject acts or when the emphasis is on the doer or the subject. Examples: Mohan sang a song. Here, the subject Mohan is acting. Passive voice. A verb is said to be in the passive voice when the subject is being acted upon or when the emphasis is on the object or the work done. Examples: a song was sung by Mohan. Here, the subject is being acted upon. Points to ponder. First, objects of the active sentence becomes the subject of passive sentence. Second, the word by is used before subject in sentences in passive voice. Third form of verb is always used as main verb in sentences of passive voice for all tenses. Transitive verbs have both active and passive forms. Active, passive. The hunter killed the leopard was killed by the hunter. Someone has mopped the floor have been mopped by someone. The passive forms are made up of the verb be with a past participle. Be, past participle. English is spoken all over the world. The doors have been painted. Supper was being served. The work will be finished soon. They might have been invited to the festival. If we want to show the person or thing doing the action, we use by. Examples: the baby was attacked by a ferocious hound. The car keys were by her driver. We can use the indirect object as the subject of a passive verb. Active, passive. I gave her a dress for her birthday. She was given a dress for her birthday by me. Someone sent him a check for 1 lakh rupees. He was sent a check for 1 lakh rupees by someone. We can use phrasal verbs in the passive. Active, passive. They called off the seminar. The seminar was called off by them. His aunt looked after him. He was looked after by his aunt. They will send him away to hostel. He will be sent away to hostel by them. Some verbs very frequently used in the passive are followed by the to infinitive. Be supposed to, be expected to, be asked to. Be scheduled to, be allowed to, be told to. Examples: Mr. Irani has been asked to make a speech at the meeting. You are supposed to wear an apron. The meeting is scheduled to start at 10. Examples of active and passive voice in different tense forms. Tense, subject, verb, object. Simple present tense. Active, Namita writes a letter. Namita, subject. Writes, verb. A letter, object. Passive, a letter is written by Namita. Simple past, active, Namita wrote a letter. Passive, a letter was written by Namita. Present perfect, active, Namita has written a letter. Passive, a letter has been written by Namita. Simple future, active, Namita will write a letter. Passive, a letter will be written by Namita. Helping verb, active, Namita can write a letter. Passive, a letter can be written by Namita. Helping verb, active, Namita can write a letter. Passive, a letter can be written by Namita. Present progressive, active, Namita is writing a letter. Passive, a letter is being written by Namita. Past progressive, active, Namita was writing a letter. Passive, a letter was being written by Namita. Past perfect, active, Namita had written a letter. Passive, a letter, had been written by Namita. Future perfect, active, Namita will have written a letter. Passive, a letter will have been written by Namita.